To clear your WhatsApp storage, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, tap on your profile photo. In here, scroll down and tap on storage and data. Tap on manage storage. And here you can see your available storage and your used storage. Now all you have to need to clear, first of all, tap these larger than 5 megabyte option. Tap on select. Now go ahead and select all large files one by one. Once you selected all of your large files, just tap on delete. And we can see to free up storage, delete any copies of these items from your WhatsApp media. Deleted items may still be saved in your camera roll. So don't worry, just tap on delete items and any copies. And that's how you can go ahead and delete more large files to free up your WhatsApp storage for your iPhone. Once you delete it, now go to your Photos app on your iPhone and then go ahead and find out all of your saved or downloaded WhatsApp media and also delete them from here. And then again go back to your WhatsApp and under manage storage, here you will find your chat or conversation. One by one, open chat and conversation, tap on select and delete all unnecessary files to clear your WhatsApp storage. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.